Hello everyone, how are you doing? Satiel here and welcome back with another quick tutorial. In today's I'm gonna show how to fix VCRUNTIME140 dll error in Windows 10. Go to the start menu and open up any web browser, in this case Google Chrome, or I use Google Chrome. Go to google.com and type Visual Studio runtime 2015 space 2022 C++ and hit enter, and go to the official site of Microsoft.com, Visual C++ Redistributable. Select your language, in this case I use English, and select or click on download. Select your architecture processor. In this case, for speed consulting, go to the start menu and type system and hit enter in system information, and you can show the architecture here. In this case, my Windows 10 is 64 bytes. System type 64 based PC. In my case, I use 64 for me, and click on next for download. Go to the start menu and open up your download directory. Open up the file explorer and go to download, or click here and select show in folder. Close this window, right click and select run as administrator. Click on yes and select I agree to the license terms and conditions and click on install. You can select next, install, and to apply the change, restart your computer. Go to the start menu and click on restart. Login in your Windows. And this is all. Thanks for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.